That is all I'm gonna say. But Aldi fruits, you can't go wrong. The pineapple is from Aldi. The apples are from, and they're the grapes are, oh my god. You guys want some grape in here? They're so sweet. They have these grapes called cotton candy grapes, and they're sweeter. They're sweeter than the cotton candy grapes. Exactly. And these are the regular ones. Here on the road. Yeah. Guys, eat up your fruit bowl, alright? Stay healthy.
Aiden, Mom, it's your turn. You want some fun? Can I get it, please? Can I get it?
Come on. All right.
Aiden, come to me here.
Aiden, come, buddy. Do that real quick since I have the time.
These days.
Different. The phones and everything are. I understand. Trust me. That's why I'm grateful with this. Even this company, they're better than the direct clients who. Sometimes the direct client them want to hover over you, whereas a company just want to know that you're doing things safe and you're getting it done in a timely manner. And compared to some place, so I could understand them pressures like that. I got that relief this week, so I could only imagine when you know. I said, but you mentioned a thing the other day too. She's watching who's not taking the phone calls at work, but no one seems to care. They're not picking up. Wow. Mm. Yep. Wow. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. All right, Bree, you have everything on, shoes on. You have PE today?
No.
Oh, okay, tomorrow. All right. Go ahead, get your boots. Get your boots. Bree, Bree. Why you looking like it's in that water still? I gave you the other one, all right? Mm-hmm.
I just really like this.
Yeah, no problem.
I really like this.
All right, fruits. You got your drink. You guys got your healthy snack. Fruits, drink, healthy snack. What are we missing here? We're missing one thing. Guys, I'm gonna throw one of the muffins in there. And I think you are set for today. Hope y'all stay nutritiously well, because we give y'all the right things. It's up to y'all to make sure you drink your water and eat your fruits, especially you, Aiden. You hear?
We wear your you wear that shoe like almost every day. Every day.
Dad.
Every day.
Dad.
What are you saying, Dad?
You wear that shoes every day.
Why is she saying Dad? Or she saying fine?
No, she was saying that, but she was kind of like trying to ignore me because she